Hi, I'm Wayne Gurnick, founder and creative director of Moments by Wayne. It is my mission to be the trusted confidant and primary source of expert design, information, and innovation during the process of planning and bringing to life weddings and celebrations for my clients. Great things are on the horizon, and I'm very excited to be joining a team of amazing speakers at the upcoming Destination Weddings and Romance Travel Industry Conference and Networking Event, hosted by the International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals. It's taking place in one of the most unique destinations in the world, Istanbul, Turkey, and it will be happening from September 6th through 9th of this year. I'm going to be traveling to Istanbul from Los Angeles, California, over 6,800 miles to get there. How far will you travel to meet the 350 tour operators from over 100 different countries, including destination wedding planners and romance travel and tourism professionals? I can't wait to meet them all. We all know that IADWP stands for the International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals, but I like to think of IADWP like this. I is for inspire. Inspire others and be inspired by them. A is for advance. Advance your knowledge in everything that you do. D is for drive. Drive your successful business for even more success. W is for win. You need to win clients with knowledge and expertise. And finally, P. P is for plan. Plan your business's future. And the first step is to register and attend the Destination Weddings and Romance Industry Conference and Networking Event. And I will see you there.